Hello everyone, this is my unboxing of the face shield. This is really what we need this time of pandemic. So I'm going to show you what's in the box. So it's only the plastic and the holder of the shield. This is the shield. So you have to remove the plastic, and take note there's still a plastic that you have to peel off on the shield, because some people say that it's not clear because they didn't know that there's still a plastic that's so thin. As you can see, I already removed it, and now this is how you're going to install it. This side with a hole, very tiny hole, and on the opposite side as well there is a hole. These holes should be put here. It should be on the upper side. You have to open this one because this is the holder of the shield, and pull L, and also on the opposite side. So what you're going to do is insert this one, this blue one, into this, and then into the hole of the shield, and then insert here this one. As you can hear the sound, so it's already locked. And on the opposite side as well, it's the same thing, same process. You should put this one first in the hole of the shield, and then into the holder. Wait, it's a little bit hard to install this one if you're not used to. And that's it. There's no sound, there's no clicking sound, but it's already done. So that's it. This is your face shield. It's very clear. This is only cheap, around 30 to 35 pesos here in our place. Maybe it's cheaper on other areas or other stores, it depends. And that's it, guys. This is what's inside of the face shield that you can buy anywhere. This is the most common face shield used by many people, even celebrities. I don't know if it's the same thing or the same brand, but I think it's more or less the same. I'm not sure. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you're going to subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.